Hey guys, figure I'd do a really raw video about how to do a bulk media create with AI. I work with a lot of boutique fitness studio owners. I work with Start Your Studio Profitably, and a lot of owners come to us and they're wearing all the hats. And I imagine that there's a lot of other business people out there that are inside their business that are creating content and they're doing a great job, but it feels heavy. They got to do a lot. They got to create the content, they got to put it out there. Sometimes it's reactive, sometimes it's proactive. I just wanted to show you a couple things that you can use for AI that will really help you out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create something in Canva. So we're going to get completely out of Canva. We're going to go fresh again, and we're going to start a whole new project. We're going to go into Canva, and you know what? Let's just really start all over. That way you can see that this is going to be completely raw from the beginning. So we'll go Canva, and what we're going to do is let's create tips and tricks. Or how about 21 tips? 21 tips of the month, or tips of the month. Let's do tips of the month. Hmm. Tip of the day. Tip of the day. That's what I'm supposed to be saying. How about that? Tip of the day. Oh, much better. Here we go. Done. Yeah, good. Oh, this will be easy. Oh, this is a good one, I think. Yeah, let's use this one. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to, that's the quick tip. We want this message to be that. We'll have this say, let's make this be our website. So when I say our website, make this be your website. So I would like pretend it's, you know, anytypefitness.com, boutiquefitness.com, whatever, yourstudio.com. Right? Just put that there. Let's say we don't like the colors. Fine, let's change the colors. Let's go to fitness images. Let's put, let's do boutique fitness. So let's look through the images here. That might be a good one. Here's a good one right here. Let's do running. That's more running. Hey, kettlebells getting a little bit there. All right, just for the sake of this art, this exercise, I'm just going to put the kettlebell in the background. So I'm going to put this here. We're gonna double click, I think, on the picture, replace background, good to go. Uh, I guess I'm good with that color palette. That's fine. But if I wanted to change the color palette, I could. I'm not really gonna do that right now. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to bulk mail. So we created this. This is what we're going to do for our document or our post that's going to go out on social media. Now let's go to a whole new GPT and let's say, give me 21 humorous tips for boutique fitness clients that they should know, but have no, am I spelling it? Hold on. Like things all over my screen. Pictures are in the middle of my screen there. I have no idea. Plain. This will be a Google sheet, and I will be doing a Canva bulk merge. Keep this clean format. Pretty simple. What we're going to end up doing is we're going to copy this, right? When this is done, if you want to edit all this stuff and make and change it, you can absolutely do that. I don't even like the way this is printing. That looks awful, but it's doing it in programmer code. That's all right. Let's see if it works. So we're going to copy. We're going to create a whole new Google Sheet. So let's just go to Google Sheet. Should be able to just paste this right in. Yep. I'm just going to eliminate the word tip. Should be good there. Let's rename this document. Let's go fitness Canva. That's that's saved. So this is a writer downer step. Make sure you get this step right here. If you miss this step, you're gonna get stuck. So what you're gonna do now is this is saved, but you're gonna download this as a CSV. So download as a CSV. File, download, CSV. You got that? So that's gonna stay in my folder there. We're now gonna go back to Canva. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a bulk merge. We 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 already did our edit on our Canva doc, so now we're just gonna go back to apps. We're gonna go to the bottom of the apps page here, and we're gonna look for bulk create right here, bulk create. We're gonna click bulk create. We're gonna do update data right here. Update, upload. I'm sorry, upload. I don't know why I said update. Here's my fitness Canva sheet. You can see it's right here. And you see the select an element in your page. So what that means when you see this right here, select an element in your page, where do you want the words to go? And so we're going to go right in here, right in the middle of the page. We're going to click this button, these three dots right here, connect data right here. We're going to, where it says text empty field one, I did a really good job of labeling that column. You can see I've done this so many times, but this is great. You're seeing my errors. Here we go. You can see everything's highlighted. Now I just have to hit continue. We can generate the 21 designs. When I hit generate the 21 designs, it should bring me into a new project folder. Here we're bringing it into a new project folder, and this should have done 21 bulk with different bulk Canva docs with different tips on each and every one. So now what you can do is you can now go to your Facebook business page or Instagram page, whatever you want to do. As long as it's your business page, you can set it like you're going to post and then set the timer for it to be on Tuesday, on a Wednesday, on a Friday, on a whatever, right? Just do this 21 days in a row. This is how you can set your content for the next 21 days. If you wanted to go out 90, whatever it is, you, you can see how this frees up your time. Take this. God bless. Hope it all works out for you. Talk to you guys later. Bye.